Automated weather observation 1304 Zulu. Wind 300 at 03. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 12 Celsius. Dew point 09 Celsius. Altimeter 3012. Remarks.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
Hot Springs traffic, yellow Aeroprakt 31 Tango Kilo departing runway 23 Hot Springs.
Oh, howdy, that's tore up.
Yep.
Wow, you can see out the window so good.
I know, right?
It's a nice morning.
Yeah, it is.
I feel like kind of like when you get a new car.
Morrilton traffic, Tomahawk 164 November Alpha, about 7 miles to the east, inbound landing 27 Morrilton.
They're going to be busy today.
Sounds like it.
Morrilton traffic, 287 Victor Romeo. There's 2 miles to the runway on 27, straight in, on final, Morrilton. Morrilton traffic, Husky 49347, about 1.5 miles to the northeast, be crossing midfield and left downwind 27, Morrilton. Morrilton traffic, 287 Victory Romeo on the short final on 27, full stop, Morrilton. Morrilton traffic, Skylane 3197 Foxtrot, 8 miles to the east. At 2,200, coming straight in 27, full stop, Morrilton. Morrilton traffic, 4 November Alpha, turning left base, runway 27, Morrilton.
Some hungry folks.
Yeah. Morrilton traffic, yellow Aeroprakt 31 Tango Kilo is turning on the downwind for runway 27, Morrilton.
Morrilton Aero, still 4 mile final. Safe flight, John.
Traffic on final from Morrilton. I can extend my downwind and let you in if you want me to.
Negative, you're good. We're 2.5 miles, and once we hit minimums at 1060, we'll break off. It'll be about 2 mile final when we hit minimums.
I think I see you up there. I'm just going to go ahead and stay out of your way if that's all right.
That works for you, works for us.
Might as well make it easy.
You better stay out of my way.
Listen there's old Jerry meandering.
I'll be there eventually.
What? The Aeroprakt's gonna beat him?
Yeah, it's a rare day when we beat you.
And Morrilton traffic, helicopter 29 Romeo Hotel. I'm about 10 miles east, but I'm going to transition around to the north side of the terminal and we'll enter direct to the ramp, so I'll be no factor for you guys landing in the battery. And Morrilton Aero 9383 November, short final 27, full stop Morrilton.
Morrilton traffic, yellow Aeroprakt 31 Tango Kilo, turning a long left base for runway 27 Morrilton.
And Morrilton traffic, Cessna 1245 Delta 10 to the east, we'll cross over midfield and our left downwind for 27 Morrilton.
Morrilton traffic, yellow Aeroprakt 31 Tango Kilo, turning final runway 27 Morrilton.
Morrilton 83 November, clear the active taxi to the hangars.
There's a truck going through a field.
Yeah. Morrilton traffic, 31 Tango Kilo, short final 27 Morrilton. Morrilton traffic, 31 Tango Kilo, clear the runway, Morrilton. Figure out where we're going to put this thing. Don't really know.
I know, but somebody's videoing us.
I saw that.
Morrilton traffic, Cherokee 4163 Foxtrot, 10 miles to the southwest, the landing, Morrilton traffic. Morrilton traffic, Cessna 45 Delta is a mile northeast. We're going to cross midfield for a left downwind 27, Morrilton. Jerry.
Make sure I don't hit nobody or nothing.
Aircraft calling Morrilton radio. Wind 30006, altimeter 30.14.
Where you gonna park it?
I'm just going to slide it in back here somewhere, I guess.
767 Brahma Romeo, 20 to the east, inbound landing. 27. Morrilton.
Let me watch that truck.
Morrilton traffic, Cessna 45 Delta is crossing midfield for a left downwind for 27, Morrilton. Morrilton traffic, Cessna 45 Delta is turning downwind for 27, Morrilton.